Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day to everyone and anyone who watch this video. My name is Muhammad Bahtiar and today I will present about part of speech and diagrams. Without further ado, let's start the video. First off, what is part of speech? A part of speech is a category of word with similar grammatical properties. It tells us what role a word plays in a sentence, such as whether it's naming something, describing something, showing action, or linking ideas. The example of part of speech are noun, verb, conjunction, etc. The next is types of part of speech. Part of speech is divided into two categories. The first is lexical categories. These carry the main meaning in a sentence. They can stand alone and are open to new addition. The second type, there is non-lexical categories. These don't carry much meaning by themselves, but are crucial for grammar and sentence structure. They'll help link ideas and clarify relationships. The example of lexical categories, first we have noun. Noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. The example of noun are apple, love, city, etc. Second, we have verb. Verb is a word that expresses an action or a state of being. The example of verb are jump, write, think, etc. Third, we have adjective. Adjective are a word that describes or modifies a noun. The example of adjective are blue, old, happy, etc. And four, we have adverb. Adverb is a word that modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. For example, always, very, and early, etc. Next, we get the example of non-lexical categories. The first, we have pronoun. Pronoun are a word that replaces a noun to avoid repetition. For example, he, she, they, etc. Second, we have preposition. Preposition are a word that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and another word in the sentence. For example, on, at, and under. The third, we have conjunction. Conjunction are a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses. The example of conjunction are and, but, although, etc. And last, we have determiner. Determiner are a word placed in front of a noun to show which one or how many. The example of this are the, a, many, and etc. The next, we have what is tree diagrams. A tree diagrams, also called syntax tree or parse tree, is a visual representation that shows the structure of a sentence based on the grammar rules. It breaks a sentence into its part of speech and how those parts are related. As we can see, a sentence usually has a noun phrase or NP and verb phrase or VP. But sometimes they can also have PP or prepositional phrase. Next, we will complete the syntax task. The first task is the book that was recommended by the professor has been borrowed by several students. In this sentence, we first divide the NP and VP. And then the NP is the as the determiner, book as noun, that as complement, was as auxiliary, recommended as a verb, by as a preposition, the as a determiner, and professor as a noun. While the verb phrase is has as an auxiliary, been also has an auxiliary, borrowed as a verb, by as a preposition, several as an adjective, and students as a noun. The second task is, although the match was delayed due to rain, the players continue their warm-up routine. This sentence is divided into two sentences. The first sentence, we have although as a complement, the as determiner, match as noun, was as auxiliary, delayed as verb, due to as preposition, and rain as noun. In the second sentence, we have the as a determiner, players as noun, continued as verb, there as determiner, warm up as adjective, and routine as noun. In the third test, the new regulations were announced by the government after the economy showed signs of instability. In this sentence, we divide it into noun phrase and verb phrase. In the noun phrase, we have the as determiner, new as adjective, and regulations as noun. In the verb phrase, we have were as auxiliary, announce as verb, by as a preposition, the as a determiner, government as a noun, the as a determiner, economy as a noun, showed as a verb, sign as a noun, of as a prep, and instability as a noun. In the fourth task, the man who was arrested last night had been hiding in the abandoned warehouse for weeks. The sentence we also divided into noun phrase and verb phrase. In the noun phrase, we first have the as determiner, man as noun, who as a complementary, was as auxiliary, arrested as verb, last night as adverb, and in the verb phrase we have had as an auxiliary, been as an auxiliary, hiding as a verb, in as a prep, the as a determiner, abandon as an adjective, warehouse as a noun, for as a preposition, and weeks as a noun. And the last task, we have the big girl saw Eleazar with a lovable panda recently. The sentence divided into noun phrase and verb phrase. In the noun phrase, we have the as a determiner, big as an adjective, girl as a noun. In the verb phrase, we first have saw as a verb, Eleazar as a noun, with as a preposition, a as a determiner, lovable as an adjective, panda as a noun, and recently as an adverb. That is all within this presentation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.